Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. We are about to do another sew through. I'll be making a saddlebag purse for my sister Shawna. Here you can see me laying out my pieces for the entire bag. The outside will be denim and the interior will have a lovely floral print, as you can see right there. Oh, and that's some black mesh to create the pocket. So if you want to see how I turn all this into a beautiful purse, stick around and watch the magic. There you go, that's our end result. Let's do it. Okay, first things first, I'm going to work this zipper. So I'm going to pin my outer material, which is the denim, to the zipper, and also pin that inner floral material, all within one stitch. There we go. Make sure it's nice and secure with those clips. Yeah, get that little pull tab out of the way. Oh, you want to make sure that your pull tab is facing the outside material, so I'm having mine face the denim. And then all you got to do is get that zipper foot on your machine and you're in business. Look at that. Outer, inner, and zipper all set, and we're going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Wow. Look at that slide. Amen. Oh, lunch break. Time for a little medicine, get medicated, and then we're going to eat that smoked beet sandwich from 5 Points. Okay, break over, Trav. Now we're back. Okay, we've got our outside of the bag that we are marking up the center point right now, and then we'll be attaching the lining material to the outside material. This is one of many ways to do a lining within a bag. But this is the style that calls for what we're doing. So I'm going around making sure that the outside is all lined up, and we're looking good. Okay, look at that. The lining is sewed to the outside around the edges. We're all secure. Now it is time to do the under portions. Oh, wow, that was fast. Okay, so now that that under portion is all sewed, these are the little denim scraps that we have to make as hooks so we can attach our scrap band, that gray thing right there, onto it later. Okay, as you can see, now I'm attaching that outer band to the zipper so I make a full loop. This will be what is on the outer edge of the bag, basically. And there we go. That is all secured and connected. Those loops are tight. That zipper's functioning. We are looking good. Now we're attaching that outer layer to the back and front pockets. We're going to sew across the top first, secure that, and now we'll be going around the outer edges on each side. Bing, bang, boom. Okay, there we go. We are stitching up. We are looking good. Look at that. Flipping it out, checking it out. I think we're in business, baby. This is great. All right, there we go. Check some threads. I like it. Oh no. Oh no, what did we do? Ew, look at those dirty edges on that lining. We gotta fix that. Come on, let's keep it clean. So you know what that means? We're getting our seam ripper and we are ripping out some threads. That's right. We are taking this piece apart. Stitch by stitch, here we go, ripping out those threads, separating all those pieces again, because we've got some adjustments to make, and we want to make this bag for Shawna the best. Okay, and here I am. That is that long bottom piece that you saw earlier. I'm detaching the lining from it, so you'll see exactly what I do. We'll make it nice and clean on the interior of this bag. You'll never know what I actually did. There's me. Okay, here we are again. The zipper portion, and that is just the denim part of that outer edge. So we post that to the top of the zipper like that, and then we post a lining to the inside of it like that. So when we stitch it all together, it'll just give us one clean seam. No seam allowances to deal with on the outside or inside of that bag. So as you can see, once again, I'm clipping in that loop, and then I'll put the denim on top of that, and we'll get to stitching. Beautiful. Okay, as you can see, now that loop of material is all set. That zipper is functioning. Oh, look how smooth that inner seam is. Lovely. And that zipper is still working like a charm. Okay, so next things up, we're back at it again. We're going to sew that middle unit to our outer sides of the bag. So as you can see right now here, I'm pinning it up and making sure I meet those corners, and I'm nice and even on the bottom of the bag, meeting in the middle on both the top and the bottom. Pin, pin, pin. Clip, clip, clip. What a beautiful day. There we go, sew around the outside edges, and bing, bang, boom, there we are. Look at that. Clean. And now we're gonna put a little, I guess you'd call it a little binding on the inside so we can cover up that seam allowance. And look at that smooth seam right there. Wow, lovely. Okay, we're opening up that little seam covers. We're just gonna stitch that up. There we go. Oh my gosh, we're almost done. Thanks again for sticking around for another sew along. This is Trav. I also go by Trav B. What a treat. I love using scrap material. Oh, by the way, that gray scrap, yeah, it was a leftover from some other project. Reduce, reuse, baby. That's what we're about here. Oh, I'm so close to being done. Look at that bag. Check it out. Thumbs up. Baby, we're in business. Abracadabra. Oh, look at, there she is. New saddlebag, baby. Giddy up. Cowboy, cowgirl, cow them. There you go. She's modeling. Love it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yep. Wow. Get that model pose with that bag, Trav B. Work it. What you looking for? Sunglasses. Oh, it's too bright. Yes. Glamour, baby. Zip it up and you're on your way. Oh my gosh, lovely. Party! Thanks again, everybody, for sticking around. It's been an absolute treat. I can't wait to see you again. Tell your friends, and keep on loving yourself, and look at that beautiful finished bag.